What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not done so yet. Just takes a second, it really helps out the channel. Today we're going to take a look at fixing an error on FortiClient where the app just hangs after pressing connect. The VPN client does not present an authentication prompt and just hangs showing the disconnect option and does not appear to change state. The additional symptom is the FortiClient does not appear in the tray. These steps can also be used to resolve general errors and issues, so let's take a look at what to do. Looking at this FortiClient technical tip, and I'll put all links in the video in the description, the resolution is to uninstall old Microsoft Visual C++ runtimes and install the latest C++ runtime. So the first thing we'll do is go to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page, click on the latest supported redistributable versions, and download the x64 latest version redistributable and save. Next, we'll open Control Panel and uninstall all older versions of Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Next, we'll uninstall FortiClient. And we'll reboot after the uninstallation. If you don't see ForitClient VPN listed in the control panel, you could rerun the installer that was downloaded to get the remove option. Next, we'll run the latest Visual C++ redistributable that we downloaded. And restart. And then we'll reinstall FortiClient. Reconfigure your VPN configuration settings and attempt the VPN connection once more. We can see that authentication is prompting. Additionally, the VPN client is now visible in the tray. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this information was helpful fixing your FortiClient hanging issue in the comments. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.